Well, welcome to Zoom. Zoom doesn't give you a countdown, by the way, when it gets started. So you're just like, I'm on. Whereas a lot of the other screen share programs will give you a countdown. So excuse me for being a little surprised popping on here, but I was waiting for the countdown that didn't come. So Zoom is a completely free program. It's meant for video conferencing and webinars, but it is a great free option to be able to record your screen and do tutorial videos. So this is the home screen for Zoom. Once you sign up for a free account, you can click into your account. You can set this up, but it's going to give you a Zoom room, which this is my Zoom room. When I go to start a meeting, I basically just hit the button to say start meeting. And then what I do is I go to share my screen if I want to do this. So I would go in, I would pick a screen that I wanted to share. I would hit this, there's a new share button down at the bottom that it's not letting me show you, but you would hit new share and it'll allow you to choose what you're going to share on your screen. That could be a PowerPoint, it could be a keynote, it could be your browser window like I have up right now. Pretty much anything that's on your screen you can share through Zoom. You can use an external mic like I'm using. I love my podcast mic. Or you can use, obviously the microphone in your computer, but the sound quality won't be quite as good. With the screen down here, you can make yourself bigger. You don't have the cool bubble, but you do have the square. The cool thing is that you can drag this around while you're talking. So if you need to accentuate certain things on the screen, you can move that around. You can bring yourself back to small, or you can hide yourself altogether. When you hide yourself all together, you get a better full screen view. And sometimes you don't want to have your photo on the screen. Pretty much every option that I show in this video, you can hide your video. So let's say I wanted to show you guys the brand new screen that Pinterest just gave us to show not only how many followers we have, but to be able to comment on pins easier. Okay, inside of Zoom, I can click around. I can even open new browser windows, which is nice. And now you're seeing the video quality that comes through. Now, when you finish a Zoom recording, it's going to go into your recording section. And you can choose where you want to save your recordings. So local recordings are going to be saved on your computer. Cloud recordings get saved to Zoom. I like to set mine for local recordings so that they actually go directly to my computer because I want to be able to edit these and put them to YouTube and on my blog. So you do have the capability to do that. Again, it's going to download as an MP4, which is very, very convenient. So this is my quickie overview of Zoom, and when the screen goes whoosh, you'll see the next option. This is a screen recording with Loom, and you'll notice that I am down in the lower corner of the screen. I believe that I can change my screen bubble while I'm recording. Nope, it won't let me do that. Oh, yes, it will. Look at this. And now I'm going to get bigger. Okay, so you can change it during the video, and you can see me kind of clicking around down here. I can make myself really big. And then, using these, I can bring myself back down. So that's kind of useful if you're trying to make a point and then stick yourself in the corner so you can show people what's happening on your screen. This is just the basic pricing screen. I was trying to find something so you could see the video quality. I am using my podcast mic down here so you can see what this looks like. I've got it down here in the corner. I'm not speaking directly into it, so I'm sure that the audio isn't as good as it normally would be, but it's definitely better than if I was just speaking into the computer speakers themselves. So when you finish a Loom video, a really cool thing happens, and what's going to happen is it's going to take you to my videos when you're done. And I just disappeared, which is really odd. There I am. Haha. Okay, so you'll see that already this video that I'm making right now is already uploading to their system. The second this is done, it's going to give me the link to be able to share it directly from Loom. But you can also go to these and then you can download them as MP4s so that you can either put them into video editing software. Let's say you wanted to stick a few of these together, or you wanted to chop off the end or something that you said in the middle. You can download it. You can put it into some sort of editing software like iMovie, and then upload it up to YouTube as an MP4. So this is the video quality. This is how it looks when you are in Loom. And just know that anything that goes on Loom can only be 15 minutes or shorter. So just kind of keep that in mind. They do have a paid version as well, which I don't use, but just so that you guys know what it's all about. With that, it's $4 a month right now. I believe it's normally $8. They're having a 50% off sale until the end of July of 2020. But yeah, or I'm sorry, beginning of July. But this kind of gives you all the different things that you can do with it. And there's a lot of different features that Loom has that I don't normally use, but everything has the cam bubble. In the paid versions, they have the drawing tool and mouse emphasis. And then also you'll see that, there's a lot of other custom things that you can have with the Pro version. But right now, like if you pay for a whole year, of the Pro, you're going to get 50% off and be able to use it for that price for the whole year. So if this is the way you decide to go, you might want to grab it before July 1st. So I'm going to stop sharing, and then the next video I'm going to show you is the next program. So here we go. So this is Screencastomatic. Screencastomatic is definitely my favorite out of the 3 programs, just because of the amount of customization I can do. I have complete control of what parts of my screen are being recorded. There's a drag and drop box that I can't show you because I've already set it before the video started, but it allows me to select exactly what on my screen is being shown. So if I only want that to be a very small portion, I can do that. It also has this great thing where it really accentuates what my mouse is doing, which is really cool, and that's an added feature on other things. So the pricing is sitting here. I did the 3-year plan. That's why it says modify my plan. For only $1 a month, I get so much stuff. And I'm sure that this, Premiere program is amazing as well. I'm still learning how to use this, and this thing has been so really cool for me already at $1 a month that I can't even imagine how it could be possibly better. But you might find that it is. So anyway, draw and zoom, there's a screenshot tool. They have a green screen feature, for our video down here. What's really neat as well is that you can go to full screen and talk to people. And then, you can see the video quality from full screen. And then when you're ready to go back, you can hit the button and it'll take you back to being little again. There it goes. Okay. So, and then also you can hide your video as well. There's a ton of different features that this thing includes. The video editor in here is incredible. It also will allow you to do speech to text to get captions for YouTube. And you can actually create your own like narrations after you record a video. You can upload a video and then narrate over the top of it, which is super convenient as well. Tons and tons and tons of features with this. Just go to Screencastomatic and you can check it out. But this is definitely my favorite of all of the programs. This is the one that you see on my blog. You can upload directly to YouTube from here, set your titles, descriptions, your category, your keywords. Everything can be done from inside this program. So I hope that this helps you guys see the differences between the 3 videos. No matter what one you choose, quite honestly, it doesn't matter. The key is start recording tutorial videos and putting them on your blog. Start a YouTube channel. Start that backlink profile that goes in between the two channels. Just do it today, because I'll tell you what, I wouldn't even call myself decent at doing YouTube videos, but I promise you, if you come back in a year, I am going to have this mastered, and you're going to think that I was amazing from day one. So just start. You know, this is all I can say with anything, with blogging, with Pinterest, with affiliate marketing, with everything that we do for our blogs. Just start, because you're only going to get better. So cheers, and I will see you soon.